Hello dear followers and subscribers. So NCH just released a notification recently on their official website which mentions about the subject wise weightage of AIPGT subjects of our homeopathy subjects. So let's have a look. So as you can see, this is the official NCH website, and upon here यहाँ पे एक notification, I will just click on it and the document will open, right? So अब इस document में we can see that the subject wise weightage is given for materia medica, organon, repertory and practice of medicine 16 questions, homeopathic pharmacy 12 questions, surgery and OBGY 8 questions, anatomy, physiology, pathology 5 questions, FMT 4 questions and community medicine 9 questions. So as you can see, this is the exam dates are still not out, but please do follow us on Instagram as well as YouTube, The Sake of Medicine, and we will post further updates of AIPGT and other news and other updates regarding that. Thank you.